This morning, we're expecting another round of witness testimony in the Dan Markel murder trial.
On Wednesday, the prosecution's star witness, Luis Rivera, took the stand for 6 hours.
ABC 27's Jada Williams sums up his second day of testimony.
It took more than 6 hours, split between 2 days, for attorneys to get all of their questions for Luis Rivera. Even when Rivera's credibility was questioned, he maintained that he's telling the truth. They questioned his mental health.
Have you ever been diagnosed as being bipolar?
Yes, sir.
What about schizophrenic?
Yes, sir.
They questioned his claims that he can't read or write.
What's that say?
Somebody wrote it for me, sir.
Right.
I can't read it.
You can't read it?
No, I had somebody write it for me. He's the one that told me about it. And he wrote it for me. And I just rewrote it and sent it out.
In fact, the questioning even made Judge Hankinson speak up.
It's in evidence. Move on, Mr. Sangaday.
Well,
Move on. I said, move on.
Yes, sir.
We've done this. Put the letter down.
But Luis Rivera never backed down from his testimony.
Why did you end up not being the one that pulled the trigger in this case?
That man had kids and I wasn't going to do it.
Rivera maintained throughout his questioning that he, Sigfredo Garcia, and Catherine McBanoa were paid to kill Dan Markel.
You were asked about some inconsistencies in your statements, and one of them had to do with Ms. Adelson, Wendy Adelson. This was the lady who, your understanding from Mr. Garcia, was going to be paying for this hit, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
There's still a chance that Rivera can testify. Judge Hankinson dismissed him for the time being, but told him that he's still subject to being recalled. In studio, Jada Williams, WTXL, ABC 27.